Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Anthony. Welcome back to another banger video for you guys. Today in this video, I have gotten something in the mail from WWE itself. This is my first unboxing on this channel, so I hope you guys really like this type of video. If you want, make sure you guys can show your support. Hit the like button down below if you're new to the channel. Man, hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell button to notify every single time those crazy content like this. I'm posting whenever no one's home, like today. And you guys definitely do not want to miss it. Follow me on my Snapchat. I'm highly active on my Snapchat. Also, go add me up on Instagram. I'm not very highly active on my Instagram, but I'm just going to keep it there in the description box below. Anyways, if you guys are add-on new to the channel, please make sure you show your support. Again, like, subscribe if you are new. Let's try and reach 100 subscribers by the end of this year. I know we can do it. The AA soldiers are killing the game. And without further ado, guys, let's get into it. Okay, guys, as you guys can tell, I've got a package here from WWE. I'm going to show you guys the receipt as well to show you that this is no scam, no nothing, legit proof. See? I don't know if you guys can see this whole thing, but see? I don't know how that's showing up on camera. Hold on, let me show this on camera with you guys. See, guys? From WWE shop right here. And this is all I've ordered right here. The total came to $37.42 for 2 shirts. One shirt is my mom's. This one is mine right here. So anyways, guys, let's get into it. I know what this is because I wanted this shirt for a long time. So let's go ahead. You guys can already see a sneak little peek of it. But let's go open it right here with you guys. And we got ourselves a Hardy Boys t-shirt. And on the back, it says the greatest tag team in all of time and space. Right here, all of space and time. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna try this on. And yep, I'll be right back. How's it look, guys? I'm going to be posting this on my Snapchat as well. So I hope you guys like this unboxing. Again, this is the first one on my channel. If you want, make sure you guys can show your support. Hit the like button down below, man. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell button so you're notified every single time I post crazy content like this. Whenever no one's home and it's only me, I'll be uploading. So, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. And as always, soldiers.